We are now moving towards our sustainable goals, and under this sustainable goal, one of the important goal that has been met is through Mission Amrit Sarovar. Now, Mission Amrit Sarovar is a national initiative where we are trying to have water bodies of nearly 75 water bodies in every district, and these water bodies would be called as Amrit Sarovars. So, this is part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav and was launched in 2022. So far, more than 1 lakh sarovars have been identified. Work on more than 80,000 have started, and 66,000 sarovars have already been constructed or rejuvenated, and the goal is to create 50,000, which was a national target, has already been surpassed. Now, one of the major partners for this is BISAG-N, which is Bhaskaracharya National Institute for Space Application and Geoinformatics, which provides spatial technology to actually monitor the sarovar sites, plan and implement it. Now, this is a collaborative strategy where we are integrating the schemes of Manrega, giving people work under the Manrega scheme in the rural and the urban areas, PM Kisan Sampada Yojana, and community participation, which is the citizens participation. So various departments have been coming in line: Department of Water Works, Department of Land Resource, Panchayati Raj, Environment, Ministry of Railway in case the land belongs to the railways, Department of Water Resource, Rural Development. And then there are certain allied missions to it. For example, Jal Shakti Abhiyan, which focuses on rainwater harvesting; Atal Bhujal, as the name suggests, it talks about groundwater; Jal Jeevan Mission, to provide water connectivity to every household, the tapped water connection; National Water Mission for water resource management; and Namami Gange for rejuvenation of Ganga river basin. So those are some of the allied projects related to water. But yes, to meet one of the sustainable development goals, we are working towards the sustainable future and water works and water resources, and Amrit Sarovar Yojana is one such scheme under it. Thanks for joining. Of course, we'll be covering more important topics for your current affairs. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day.